This morning we are in Columbia, Howard County, with the EDRU team to renew a single-phase pad-mounted transformer. In this particular job, we have 22 customers fed from this transformer. Basically what it does, it takes the 13 kV primary voltage, steps it down for safe use for our residential customers. In this case, 120/240. BGE, as part of our commitment to reliability, we inspect our equipment, particularly pad-mounted equipment, on a 5-year cycle for any kind of issues that might cause a problem with reliability down the road. This transformer is approximately 50 years old. From the inspection of these types of pieces of equipment, we are continuously looking for issues that may have an adverse impact down the road. It may not be now, but we always look ahead to make sure we're being proactive in our work, making sure that we have equipment on the system that is safe for our customers, it's safe for our employees as well, that they're in good working order and that they're in good physical shape. So EDRU, the Equipment Diagnostic and Repair Unit, is out and about every day, system-wide, across the territory. We're performing both the proactive inspection work for reliability and safety, as well as the proactive transformer replacements, which can range anywhere from a few a week to 2 a day for the entire week. I truly believe in not just what we do every day, but in the safety and reliability aspect of the work. I really feel that we have a huge impact on our customers and our colleagues as far as being proactive in what we do.
240.